Hey everybody, I'm Aaron Norris. It's February 1st, and this is the Norris Group's Real Estate Headline Roundup in 2. First up with the national numbers, pending home sales decreased 4.3% month over month in December nationwide as inventories continue to shrink. At the same time, home prices increased 0.5% month over month in November. Home ownership is now at 65.4%, the lowest level since 1997. Yikes. Freddie Mac reported mortgage rates increased for the second week in a row, with 30-year rates now at 3.353%, their highest in 4 months. The unemployment rate crept back up to 7.9%, unfortunately, with revisions for some past months also increasing a little bit. GDP decreased 0.1% in the fourth quarter. It's the first negative growth since the end of the recession in mid-2009. First, before we get to the headlines, I want to let you know the Norris Group has some major changes to its hard money loan program. First of all, the biggest change is all of our loans are now just 2.5 points on origination. We want to be really aggressive with you in the next couple years because we think it's a pretty awesome opportunity to lock up properties to really create some wealth for our investors moving forward. Loans over $400,000 get an even lower discounted rate on origination, so check out the norrisgroup.com/hard money loans. And if you're doing over 10 loans a year, you might want to call Diana Barley at 951-780-5856 and talk to her about T&G's frequent buyer program. I'm seeing higher ARVs and even lower points in your future. So call Diana at the office and check out the norrisgroup.com/hard money for more information. Moving on to the news, eminent domain has been rejected. Well, the Joint Powers Authority out in San Bernardino has decided to reject the use of eminent domain as a way to deal with negative equity and foreclosures. JPA Chair Board Greg Devereaux cited lack of community support and economists warning of the negative impact on the already hard-hit economy if they decided to move forward. Good call. The FHA announced yesterday that they will raise premiums by 0.1% on new mortgages, equivalent to about 10 basis points. This includes premiums for jumbo loans in addition to new mortgages insured. Under the new guidelines, FHA will require insurance premiums to be paid for the life of the loan. The District of Columbia and 46 attorneys generals reached a settlement with LPS concerning questionable foreclosure practices. LPS will be required to pay $127 million under the settlement. Initial accusations involve the company's robo-signing practices and improper mortgage loan default servicing. That's it for the headlines, but there are many more on our website at thenorrisgroup.com/blog. Up on the radio show this week, we've got Cary Pearce. He is with Provident, telling us about some changes and trends in the mortgage industry. February 9th, we're going to be in Orange County at the Real Estate and Tax Strategies Kickoff. We're going to be doing that with UDirect and Keystone CPA. February 21st, we're going to be doing Poised to Pop at OC RIA. February 26th, we're going to be with the Inland Empire Investors Forum. And February 28th, we're going to be out in Long Beach at Phoebe. For more information about any of our events, check out thenorrisgroup.com. If you'd like information about any of our 5 hard money lending programs, check out thenorrisgroup.com/hard money. And if you're looking for some return and want to do it so more passively, check out tngtrustdeeds.com. That's it for this week. Have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you next week.